All right, so we have been starting to work on division in class, and the way we're going to be working out with the kids is by taking a number and breaking it up into equal groups, and how many groups we can make. Okay, so it's not going to be the way that most of us did it when we were younger. So I'm going to show you two ways of solving the same problem. So first, they're thinking, okay, we have 682 things, and we want to put them into equal groups of 5. So they're going to be using their mental math here. So most can figure out that we can make 50 groups of 5. Using their mental math, they know 5 times 5 is 25, the 0. So they're going to make 50 groups of 5 and take out 250 things. So now they have 432 things left. So they can look over here and go, oh, 50 groups was 250. I could do 50 again. Well, they probably figure out they could take out more. So maybe they'll say, oh, I'm going to go up to 60 this time. So 60 groups of 5 now. We go to 6 times 5 is to 30 with the 0 at the end. Subtract. They have 132 things left. They can still make more groups of 5. So they're going to take a look, okay, what's one of the mental math I can do for this? And they might say I could take out, I can't do 60 again, I can't do 50. So now I'm going to go to 20. So 20 groups of 5 is 100. And then they're going to subtract it. And now they should get down close to a math fact. So they say, oh, now, well, 6 groups of 5 is 30. And they'll have 2 left over. Then all they do is go over here and they add up all their groups. So that's 11, 13, so it's 136, remainder 2. Now for the kids that have a better concept of their math facts, they could take out a bigger group at first. So one of the students might say, oh, look, I could take out 100 groups of 5. And that would be worth 500 right there. So that already took out a big chunk from those problems on the other side. So now, okay, you have to figure out how many groups of 5 can I get out of 182. So they could do, I say they could do 30. So 5 times 3 is 15 with the 0. They just took out 150 things. And they have now they're down to the 32. So then we're back to the 6 groups of 5 is 30. 2 things left over. I can't make any more groups of 5. So I add up the groups I've made. And I get the same answer. So it's kind of nice because it's set up for the ones that have a better understanding of their math facts. They could do, we call it the shovel, they could do the bigger shovel and have less steps. Or if they're not that great with their math facts, they could still use the ones they know to get to the right answer.